Get the custom comfort and style you're looking for with Best Home Furnishings. Downtime gets a major upgrade with the beautiful design and thoughtful details of the O'Neil Reclining collection. Deluxe your comfort by adding Power Recline with a tilt headrest feature for extra head and neck support. Enjoy the convenience of our easy-to-use comfort dial that also features a USB charging port. Our infinite reclining technology allows you to activate each section independently for personalized comfort. Settle into subtle cup seating that features exclusive Performa weave cushioning technology for extraordinary cooling comfort. Inviting back cushions are generously filled with pillow fibers for luxurious relaxation, and perfectly scaled to fit almost any person. The tailored back and arms form simple, sleek lines to give any room an easy, modern update. Choose from over 700 fabric options to make it your own. Customize your recliner even further by adding rocker seats, swivel glider action, or space saver technology. Complete your collection with the O'Neil dual reclining sofa and love seat. Best Home Furnishings fits your life, your style, and your space.